Hi everybody. Today's our topic is multiplication of decimal numbers. Let us see with one examples. Suppose 1 by 10 into 3 by 10. So let us see with pictorially 1 by 10 into 3 by 10. So 1 by 10 into 3 by 10 means 1 by 10 of 3 by 10. First of all, show the 3 by 10 pictorially. What is the 3 by 10? Out of 10 parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you have to take 3 parts. I'm taking 3. First part, second, third. So this is 3 by 10. It is 3 by 10. So what you have to take? 1 by 10 of this 3 by 10. You have to show the 1 by 10 of 3 by 10. So out of 10 parts you have to take 1. Already it is 3 by 10. I am writing this 3 by 10. Okay, this is 3 by 10. In this 3 by 10 you have to take 1 by 10. Dividing into first 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out of these 10 parts, you have to take only one part. That is this one part. How many parts are having double cross lines? So checks. That is how many? Only 1, 2, 3. How can you write this? So here totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens are 100. Out of 100 we have double line boxes are 3. So that is 1 by 10 into 3 by 10 equal to 3 by 100. 1 into 3 by 10 into 10 equal to 3 by 100. That means 1 by 10. What is the 1 by 10? 0.1 into 3 by 10 is 0.3. That equal to 1 by 10. 0 cancel, put point before one digit. That is 0.1. 0 cancel, put point before one digit. That is 0.3. Finally, what we got? 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits. That is point. That is 0.03. That means 0.1 into 0.3 equal to 0.03. By observing these two, we can conclude that 1 into 3, 3. So after decimal point, how many digits are there? 1. Here how many digits are there? After decimal point, 1. Totally 2 digits. So put point before 2 digits. Actually we'll get only 3. But we need to put before 2 digits. That's why you have to put 0 before 3, then put the point. That is 0.03. That you have to write 0.03. This is the multiplication of decimal numbers. Let us see some more examples. Suppose 0.2 into 0.4. This you can write as 2 by 10. After decimal point, we have only one digit. While removing point, we will get by 10 into here also 4 by 10. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ తీసేస్తే బై 10 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా పాయింట్ తీసేస్తే 10 వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈక్వల్ టు న్యూమరేటర్ ఇంటూ న్యూమరేటర్ 2 into 4 by 10 into 10. That equal to 8 by 10 tens are 100. So here 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, but we have only one digit. For another digit, put a 0 point. That equal 0.08. Okay, let us see one more example. 0.6 into 0.8. Here 6 by 10 it is into 8 by 10. After decimal point we have only one digits, that's why by 10. So 6 8s are 48 by 10 10s are 100. Two zeros cancel, put point before two digits, so that is 0.48. Okay, suppose 2.3 into 4.35. So here 2.3 23 by 10, because after decimal point we have only one digit, into 435 by 100. After decimal point we have two digits, that's why by 100. Now 23 into 435 by 10 into 100. So 23 into 435. 435 into 23. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10. 4 3s are 12 13. 15. Sorry. 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 7. 2 4s are 8. 5 0 10 10. So that equal to how much we got? 10,005. 10,005 by 10 into 100 is 1000. So 1 2 3 zeros cancel, put point before three digits, 1 2 3. So that equal to 10.005. Like this we can multiply two decimal numbers. Next one is next to multiplication of decimal numbers by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Suppose we have 23.456 into 10. Here this you can write as 23.456. After decimal point we have three digits, so divided by 1000, and we have into 10. 0 0 get cancelled, we'll get 23,456 by 100. How many zeros we have? 2. 1 2 zeros cancel, put point before two digits, that is 234.56. That means 23.456 into 10 equal to 234.56. Suppose same 23.456 into 100, that we can write as 23.456 into 100. By cancelling point we'll get here by 1000, because after decimal point 1 2 3 digits are there. Here two zeros cancelled, point cancelled, that's why 23,456 by 10. 0 cancel, put point before one digit, that is 22,345.6. 23.456 into 100 equal to, we'll get 2345.6. By observing these two, you can conclude that by multiplying 10, the point moved one digit right side. 4 ముందున్న పాయింట్ 4 తర్వాత ఒక డిజిట్ రైట్ సైడ్కు జరిగింది. Here by multiplying with 100, the point moved two digits right side. అంటే ఏమవుతుంది? By multiplying with 10, the point moved one digit right side, by multiplying with 100, the point moved 2 digits right side. If you multiply with 1000, the point will move right side 3 digits. If you have 10, it moves 1 digit right side. If we have 2 zeros, it moves 2 digits right side. If you have 3 zeros, it moves 3 digits like that. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉంటే 1 తర్వాత ఎన్ని జీరోస్ ఉంటే అన్ని డిజిట్స్ రైట్ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది ఎప్పుడు మల్టిప్లై చేసినప్పుడు. ఓకే, సో లెట్ us see division. So division of decimal numbers by 10, 100 and 1000. 125.678 divided by 10. So here 125.678 divided by 10 divided by 10. So by cancelling, the point moves left side 1 digit. So that equal to 12.5678. If you divide this by 100, it moves left side 2 digits. If you divide with 1000, it moves left side 3 digits. That's all. Okay, this is the division. Next to division of a decimal number by another decimal number. Suppose 1.5 divided by 0.3, that equals 1.5 divided by 0.3. Here to remove the points, you have to take by 10 in denominator. న్యూమరేటర్లో పాయింట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే డినామినేటర్లో 10 వస్తుంది. ఇంతమంది నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం. సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ బై క్యాన్సిలింగ్ పాయింట్ విల్ గెట్ 10 ఇన్ న్యూమరేటర్. దట్ ఈస్ 15 into 10 by 3 into 10. 10 get cancelled, 3 ones are 3 5s are. That is 5 by 1, that equal to 5. 35.7 divided by 3. 35.7 by 3. By cancelling point, we will get 10 in denominator. It will become 357 by 3 into 10. So 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, again 3 ones are 3, 2 remainder, 3 nines are 27. We will get 119 by 10. 0 cancel, put point before 1 digit. 11.9. Next exercise 6. So it is exercise 6. In that first, solve the following. So in this first question, 0.3 into 6. So first 0.3, that you can write as 3 by 10, because after decimal point we have only 1 digit, into 6. 6 means 6 by 1. That equal to, can write 3 into 6, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. That equal to 3 6 are 18 by 10 ones are 10. 0 cancel, put point before 1 digit. That is 1.8 by 1. No need to write 1.8. Next, second one. 2.71. 271 by, after decimal point we have 2 digits. So by 100 into 5 by 1. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. That equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10, plus 3 13. By 100 into 1, 100. 2 zeros cancel, put point before 1, 2 digits before. That is 13.55. Next one is 0.05 into 7. After decimal point we have 2 zeros. So 5 by 100 into 7 means by 1. 5 into 7 by 100 into 1. 5 sevens are 35 by 100. 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, that is 0.35. This is 2 into 0.86. 2 into 0.86. After decimal point we have 2 digits, that's why 86 by 100 by 1. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 17 by 1 into 100, 100. 2 zeros cancel, put point before 2 digits, that is 1.72. Okay, next second bit. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 6.2 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So first given measurements are length of the rectangle, that is L equal to 6.2 centimeters. Next, breadth of the rectangle equal to, that is B equal to 4 centimeter. What you have to find? Area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth, that is 6.2 into 4. 6.2, 62 by 10, because after decimal point we have only one digit, into 4. 4 means by 1. Numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 4 2s are 8, 6 4s are 24, by 10 1s are 10. 0 cancel, put point before one digit, that is 24.8 square centimeter or centimeter square. This is area of the rectangle. Next question, third one. Solve the following. First one, 21.3 into 10. By multiplying with 10, so it moves right side one digit, that is 213 point. No need to put at last, so that is 213. Next, 168.07 into 10. 0 cancel, it moves right side one digit, that is 168 0.7, 1680.7. Next, 131.1 into 100. Okay, here after decimal point we have only one digit, but we have to multiply with 100. So just we can move one digit, but we have two zeros, so 0 cancel, it moves one digit, that means 1311 into, we have one more 0, that is 10, so that equal to 1311 into 10, put 0 at last. Now here after decimal point we have two digits and also we have two zeros. Two zeros cancel, it moves right side two digits, that is 4307, 4307. 0.9 into 100. Actually after decimal point we have only one digit, so you have to cancel only one zero and move right side one digit, that is 09. 09 means 9. We have one more 0, that is into 10. 9 into 10, 90. Here also same. Okay, here 0.03 into 1000. After decimal point we have only two digits, but here we have three zeros. We need to move only, we can move only two digits right side, that's why cancel two zeros, move two digits. that is 003, that means 3 into, we have one more 0, that is 10, that is 3 into 10, 30.